Second summative test in English, Term 1. Direction. Read each question carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which word names a family member? A. Mother. B. Jump. C. Happy. D. Right. Number 2. Which is a proper noun? A. Teacher. B. School. C. Anna. D. City. Number 3. Which word is a doing word? Verb. Letter A. Chair. Letter B. Singing. Letter C. Flower. Letter D. Dog. Number 4. Which word names a female family member? A. Brother. B. Uncle. C. Sister. D. Father. Number 5. Which is a complete sentence? A. My family. Letter B. Playing outside. Letter C. I love my family. Letter D. At school. Number 6. Which sentence tells about yourself? A. I am 7 years old. Letter B. The big house. Letter C. Running fast. Letter D. Happy family. Number 7. Which sentence tells about your family? A. My father is kind. B. Blue bag. C. Jump high. D. At home. Number 8. Which mathematics word tells the symbol addition? A. Minus. B. Plus. C. Equal. D. Divide. Number 9. Which sentence correctly uses a mathematics word? A. 3 plus 2 equals 5. B. 3 sing 2. C. 3 family 2. D. 3 happy 2. Number 10. Which sentence uses a verb correctly? A. My brother runs every morning. Letter B. Brother every morning. Letter C. My brother happy. Letter D. Running brother. Number 11. Which sentence uses vocabulary about yourself correctly? A. I like to read books. Letter B. Like books. Letter C. Books happy. Letter D. Read I. Number 12. Which sentence has a proper noun? A. The girl sings. B. Maria reads a story. Letter C. My friend smiles. Letter D. The teacher teaches. Number 13. Which sentence should be read with a rising intonation? A. I have a pet. Letter B. We play every day. Letter C. Do you have a sister? Letter D. My mother cooks. Which is not a complete sentence? A. We eat together. B. My family is happy. C. Playing in the park. D. I help my parents. Number 15. Which is the best sentence about yourself and your family? Letter A. I love my family because we help each other every day. Letter B, my family. Letter C, love family. Letter D, I family.